Here's how you can draw 3D letters in Procreate. Start by selecting the brush icon and choose Airbrush Studio Pen. Brush size is about 30%. Before writing your text, make sure you're in a new layer. Let me know in the comments what word you chose and tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your drawings. We're going to go ahead and duplicate our text and add a new layer as clipping mask. Fill in the layer in a darker color and combine. Now go ahead and drop the layer in the bottom and click the arrow to create a shadow. Go ahead and select the brush icon and calligraphy monoline brush. We're going to fill in any gaps in the text. While you can finish there, we're going to make it look like a balloon style text. So we're going to go ahead and create a new layer and select clipping mask. With a darker color, we're going to go ahead and make a slight outline. This doesn't have to be perfect, and you'll see why next. Click on the magic wand and pick Gaussian blur. I blurred it to about 9%. Let's go ahead and create another clipping mask layer and add a few more shadows. To do this, I'm just deciding which line I want to go on top of the other line. And Gaussian blur again. To clean it up, simply use the eraser tool. After we cleaned it up a bit, go ahead and create another clipping mask layer. This is going to be our highlights. To do this, we are going to select the Studio Pen brush and adjust the size accordingly. Now have fun and add a few lines here and there and make the font come to life. Now we're almost finished. We're going to select the shadow font and add a new clipping mask layer. Now go ahead and add a few shadows with the soft airbrush tool. The last step is to add a shadow underneath. Go ahead and duplicate the text layer and make it black. Drag it to the bottom and click the arrow. Move it down a bit and select Distort. After doing this, just blur it up a bit and you can always reduce the opacity. And we're done. Hope you enjoyed this video and was able to follow along. Thanks for watching.